Okay, so previously we learned a lot about buttons. What about some added functionality of button? So basically, button is not only for submit things, but also they can do some, say, edit thing. So for example, rename or edit things, or trigger, or all sort of edit functionality. So what I'm going to do is to make other functionality, other function trigger of button. Okay. So basically, not only button for submit things, but also for other functionalities. So other function of buttons. Okay, let's try this. Other function of buttons. Do I another function of buttons? Yeah, doesn't really matter. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do is to show you that you can actually do something like this. Okay, just like a board in your mind. So for example, I got like a V stack. Let's just use the V stack. Okay, and I say I got a text field. Well, let me just make it quicker. So I add a text field. Enter your name. Submit. Yeah, this is like a typical way of using button. Okay, enter your name, enter text, submit. But instead of doing that, we're not going to do this. Okay, we're going to do something like let's add some state variables so we can hold it. So state private var text. Okay, and this is a placeholder that you want to change. Okay, so say you got some text to show on the screen, but you don't want to do that. You want to edit that. Okay, so that's the text you want to show. And did I introduce you guys to focus state? So basically, the focus state will give you a boolean that you can trigger whether you're editing or not. Okay, so basically, if you like your focus will automatically jump to that text, and then a text field that you can edit it. Okay, so text field right now got nothing here, so we can pass our text, binding text inside. Okay, really simple one, right? And inside here, I'm going to say the text. Let's just show the text. Okay, the text yeah, let me just copy it here. Okay, so there's like this is default ... something like that. Okay, doesn't really matter. And so what I'm going to do is to make it focused. The focus is focused, right? Really simple one. So right now it will just show a text field and it's focused. And yeah, depending on a button that we are going to change, all this mentioned above. So I'm going to use, instead of button, I'm going to use a rename button. Okay, rename button will trigger a typical rename function. Okay, and I'm not only just for the rename, we can swipe. So swipe, swipe action. Okay, swipe action can be triggered by the edge. So it's like trailing or leading. That really depends on you. I prefer trailing. Okay, and it will trigger a rename button. And after that, dot, we got a context menu, and we got a new rename button as well. Just a rename button. And then here, there's a rename action focus true, so you can actually rename. Okay, so let's first try this out. I'm not sure this will work. First, let's look at no some view have no. Okay, let's bar body some view, right? V stack text view. We got text focused, rename swipe. It's strange, there's no member with context menu. Okay, it's weird. Let's do a quick debug. Okay, it's a little bit weird. Let's go from start. We got var, because let's make it easier by just get everything outside from VStack, right? And reformat a little bit. So we got a text field, we got something, and focused is focused. Let's add it like a trading here, and let's just add the context value here. Sorry, let's rewrite that. Let's put the context menu here. Yeah, that should do. But instead of doing that, I'm going to put a rename button inside, and we can trigger a specific action, and dot rename action. I think you gotta rename. I'm going to say the is focused binding will be true. They should do the work. You say cannot assign to. That's weird. Put into binding. Okay, it's pretty weird. I just got like the previous version, okay, and it's currently working, so it's pretty weird. Okay, so basically, click rename. You can just get the like a focused action here. Let's build that again so you guys can see. And we got the swipe action as well, so you can like swipe. Okay, how to similar to swipe? Maybe. Okay, this is pretty weird. You should get a like a swipe indication. Then I can swipe. This is pretty weird. Okay, but at least hey, it's working. Okay, so if I build it right now, it's not focused. I click, it's focused, so you can change it. So for example, say William, Jamie, something like that, and rename. Yeah, but it's really strange. I believe if like a swipe to the left, you should get a swipe action that you can you can click on, but right now swipe action is not currently working, so I don't know why. And what about holding? Okay, we gotta rename. So the holding is working, and they just changed me to adjusting. Okay, what about swipe? Okay, the swipe action, it's not working. It's definitely not working. I don't know why. Maybe it's the API reason. Maybe it's simulated reason. I'm going to look into it. Okay. So yeah, so this will be a rename button. What about you got like a multiple things you literally want to modify? Yeah, it's already pretty long. I'm going to share how to do that in next video. Okay, bye.